Welcome to my ER. I am Jason, and this is going to be a short on pull up, pull down resistors. Here I have two LEDs, one that is in a pull down circuit and one that is in a pull up circuit. Here on these LEDs, the black is the ground. So this LED is going to be pulled up by this resistor because the resistor is going to positive. So it's going to pull up the LED to a higher voltage to turn it on. And in this one, the ground is here and it goes to this side. So the positive is here. So it's going to pull this resistor down to complete the circuit. And if I turn on the power supply, they are both on there. So there you go. Pull up, pull down. That's how it works. It works in digital circuits, all that good stuff. Thank you for watching and have a fantastic day.